What's up YouTube family, this is Akshay Kumar and what's up guys, how you guys are doing? Well guys, I just wanted to give you update that see, as you guys know, on 25th of November I boarded the ship, and on the same day the ship left the Bombay, India. Okay, and now I think we have already sailed around 600 nautical miles and we are heading to Egypt port, and then we will be entering a Suez Canal. So I'm just wishing before we enter Suez Canal means my quarantine period should complete, because I just want to have that look. It is a really great you know place and a really great view to see. It is great because last time I saw it, it was great. So what's up guys, basically I just wanted to give you some updates as well. So as you guys know, means I'm quarantined in my cabin and I'm just having a good time. And yesterday basically I slept the whole day, whole night, and today I woke up 6 o'clock in the morning, had my exercises, took a shower, had my breakfast, and let me give you a timing. What is the time right now on board ship? You will be shocked. Yes guys. Once. So just now we had the announcement from our superiors. I cannot share it with you guys for a security purpose, but yes. So as guys, we have already sailed 600 nautical miles, so there is a difference in the time now. So right now the time in India is what I can see in my laptop is, it is quarter to one. That means it is 12:45, and right now on board ship it is only, what is the time? I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Can you guys see it? This is 11:15 in the morning, so we are already 1.5 hour behind from you guys. And by the time we reach Egypt, I think so we will be around 4 to 5 hours behind from you, and the moment we reach America we will be around 8.5 hour behind from you. Yes. So guys, means I'm having a good time over here. So means I'm replying all the comments as well, and I'm replying to all the Instagram messages as well. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram till now, make sure you do follow me out there. And make sure you like my Facebook page as well, because I'm updating about the other cruise lines as well, the people who are asking me the news about those cruise lines. So I'm sharing the direct updates from my Facebook page to my Facebook page basically. And on Instagram I'm answering all the personal questions, and basically I'm answering all the comments as well. So make sure guys you do follow me on Instagram as well. All right. And so now let me share with you some cool features of my cabin and right now where I am. So just have a look. So guys, this is my cabin. As you guys know, that's my laptop is kept out here, channel is open. All right. So now here, let me just switch off the lights first of all. This is the main light. Okay, and then I have got two more lights here. One here is one there. Let me close it. Now let me put off these lights as well. So now guys, that's my laptop. Let me just close it. Now you guys see, this is dark, right? Now let me show you two eyes. Do you guys see those two eyes? Let me just go a little closer. This is just over to my pillow, and if I press this button over here, so there is a light for this person who is sleeping here. If I close it, then it goes off. Then if I press this button, there is a light again. Now the one of the most cool feature, if I show you now, let me just put on the light to show you. Now here there is a lightings. Okay, now let me just put it on. So this is the basically light guys. See, no bulb is on. There are the LEDs entire here till here to here, if you guys see this. So it is lighting up really so cool. And then if I change the color to blue, it turns into blue. So my entire room has turned into blue now. I hope you guys are able to see. Yeah, this is how it is looking now. So beautiful this cabin is looking now. Now let me change it to this color. So this is, it has turned into red now. So it has turned completely red guys. And now let me change it to this color. This is yellow color, and This is yellow color right now, guys. I don't know whether you guys will be able to see yellow or not. I think it will come as white only. Now let me turn it to multicolor. So now my room will keep on changing the colors slowly. So right now it is red. So after some time, after some duration, it will change into some other color. So these are some cool features of the cabin, guys, which I wanted to share with you. I just discovered yesterday all these cool features because when I sleep, I just make sure my entire cabin is black. So in between, I woke up yesterday night just to go just to use a toilet, and then I saw these two blue lights here, these two pinky lights. So at the same so as the normal, these lights are not visible actually, okay, but when there is a dark in the cabin, so it turns blue. So I just press them, so then I make out, yes, there is a few LEDs out over here. And then after that I suddenly saw that LED menu over there, so I just went to press that. And guess what? Means I was amazed yesterday night. I was really enjoying the lightings yesterday night, and now as well. It was basically, see guys, if I show you, it was basically red. Then it is green. Then it will change into some other color. Then it will change into some other color. So this is how, means I'm enjoying my cabin right now. I hope you guys liked it. I will keep on sharing with you guys what is happening. And right now I'm quarantined, and this is the third day. I boarded the ship on 25th, and today is the 27th. So yes, I'm enjoying it. I will see you later on, guys. Bye bye.